So, how do you make a transparent overlay for a video? Let's say you did an interview and you want your guest to appear in a circle or a square that sits on a background. Here's how you do that. Open Photoshop, create a new document, 1920 by 1080 pixels, resolution 72, color mode RGB, background contents, select transparent. Click Create. If it's not already opened, find the background image you want to use on your computer and open it. Command A to select background image. Command C to copy it. Go into your new document. Command V to paste it. If you'd like your shape to have a border around it, select the color you'd like to use. I'll choose black. Create a new layer. Click Layer, New, and then Layer. Go to your Shape tool. I'll use the Rectangle tool. To make a square, when on your background image, hold the Shift key and drag your shape to the size of your liking and in the position that you want it to appear. In the Layers panel, select both layers. Then Command E to combine them into one. Next, use your ruler and position the ruler to be the size of the border that you want. Do this for all 4 sides. In the Layers panel, select your layer. Click the mask icon. Ensure the top square in the color palette is black. Using your Shape tool, align the tool to one edge of the ruler intersection and drag your tool to the opposite corner, holding down the Shift key while you're doing that. Then release. Now it's time to save it. Go to File, Export, Save for Web. Select PNG 24. Save. Select your location and save. Now you can bring this into a program like Premiere. And place the image in the timeline. Place the video below it in the timeline. And there you go. If you found this video to be helpful, please help others find it too by hitting the like button. And if you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button too, and the bell icon so that you'll be notified when new videos are uploaded. Thanks so much for watching.